So apparently there's some sort of football tournament going on, and last week's heatwave brought them all out. No tops, and for reasons I'll never understand, their t-shirts tucked into their shorts. I mean, what is the appeal of that? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, the extreme heat has packed its bags for now, and I hope everyone survived last week's blast of absolute scorchio. Next week's weather is looking a little more comfortable, but before we get to that, a quick shout out to this week's Fox ESS Premier partner, Manchester Renewables. You should definitely maybe check them out. For this week's solar barometer, we're heading to Moss Lane, Liverpool. A quick look down the street shows row after row of south-facing terrace homes, but surprisingly very few solar panels. Right then, Tuesday, a much fresher start with sunny spells for most of the UK. Still warm enough to generate plenty of solar without you feeling like you're wiring a consumer unit inside an oven. Wednesday is another decent day. Sunshine for many, with just a few patches of cloud drifting through. Thursday and Friday still looking settled across much of the country, although the northwest could see a few showers trying to spoil things. And by the weekend, most places stay dry with warm, sunny spells and much more comfortable temperatures. So if you've got solar this week, it should be a nice balance. Good generation, no record-breaking temperatures, and hopefully a lot fewer blokes wandering around with no shirt on.